Episode 7, The Sprint, Heart of Scrum. Welcome back. Today we are diving into the heart of Scrum, the sprint. The sprint is where ideas turn into reality and where the magic of Scrum truly happens. A sprint is a fixed length event of 1 month or less, where the team works to create a usable and potentially releasable product increment. It's like a mini project within the overall project, with its own goals and outcomes. Each sprint starts with sprint planning, where the team decides what they will work on and how they will do it. The result is a clear sprint goal and a sprint backlog that guides the team throughout the sprint. During the sprint, the team meets daily for a short, focused meeting called the Daily Scrum. This is where they inspect progress towards the sprint goal and adjust the plan as needed. It's all about staying on track and adapting to any changes. At the end of the sprint, the team holds a sprint review to inspect the increment and gather feedback from stakeholders. This is followed by a sprint retrospective, where the team reflects on how the sprint went and identifies ways to improve in the next sprint. The sprint is all about creating a rhythm, a regular cadence that helps the team deliver value consistently. By keeping sprints short and focused, the team can adapt quickly to changes and continuously improve. In the next episode, we will dive deeper into sprint planning and how to set up your team for success. Stay tuned.